a third video. I don't know. I might put this up, I might not. You never know what I'm up to. But I really, really do recommend this. I think that was really great. I'm not putting it back in here because I'm throwing this away. This is one that I will use. Oh, it doesn't fit because I've got so many stinking palettes. Is there any more room for palettes in this world? There is. Oh my gosh, that drawer's getting heavy. That's one of the pieces that is going to move into the new area. This piece will be going there. And I don't know what I'm going to do because it has a lot of makeup. And that room will mainly be for the Bible studies. I don't know. So now I'm
breakfast
going to...
delivery.
Thank you, darling.
Right there in front of God and everybody. We got a license.
Okay, so, like I said, I'm first going to be using my eyelash curler. And then we'll use the liner. Otherwise, if you put it on first, the eyelash curler will actually take it right back off. So you don't want to do that. So I am doing my first pass where I am clamping down. And what happens is these little lashes, they're like that. You bend them up like that. And on my second pass, I'm going to pull it out a little, about halfway down the lash, and then curl it back. So I'm going to let it out. Notice I'm opening it up and just letting it out just about halfway down the lash, and then I'm clamping back down, lifting my elbow and pointing the lashes back towards my crease, my socket. And what that's doing is giving them more of a C curl instead of an L curl. An L curl makes them stand straight up. A C curl makes them look a little more curly. Right now we're doing the L curl. You can do 2 L curls and they will stand so straight up they almost touch your eyebrows. When I do it that way, people always say, Beth, you have the longest lashes. I don't. I just folded them back. Bree's in this room and I'm so shocked, y'all, that she has not brought a ball and started crying. Y'all know how she is. Those who are with me a lot, y'all know. Y'all know how Bree is. I don't know what she's so preoccupied with. They both are sitting at my feet, smiling at me because they love me so much right now, because I am the keeper of a breakfast item and they know their mommy will give them little pieces of anything she eats. That's terrible. No, you do have to be careful what dogs can't eat. There's certain foods that dogs cannot eat. It could kill them. So you have to pay attention to that. Like certain sugar foods, like things like grapes or raisins, are very toxic to dogs. Don't ever give them a raisin. But you've heard about chocolate. If you give them too much chocolate, it's just the sugar. They don't metabolize like we do. And some things that we eat, our immune system is the strongest immune system there is. I think. Maybe one more. I can't remember what it is. It's something, their bite is so full of bacteria, they'll kill you on the bite. I know that's true with jellyfish. That just being... No, I'm sorry, it's not jellyfish. Never mind. It's not them. Don't be against the jellyfish. Oh my gosh, this needs to be washed again. I need more of these. I'm constantly having to wash it. It only makes it a day or two before I need to wash it again. Okay, so I'm using for liner today the Stilo Eyeliner Encrypteur de Chanel Eyeliner Pen Noir. And it's a pen liner. Why did I get this? Because it's Chanel. And I wanted to see. Let's see how it does. It did nothing. You know what it is? This is very old. I shouldn't have... I set it back and didn't use it forever. It may be done because I did that. Yeah, it's not looking good. Yep, this product dried up because I left it for probably 6 months sitting like that. I wonder if I set it upside down like that, if it would do better. We'll give it one more chance. I'll leave it in there. Okay, so now I need a pen liner or a DHC. Where's my DHC? Well, I'll use DHC today. the little tiny one. This is not a pen liner. This is an actual brush liner. A very thin brush. Again, ladies, you can do a straight line like that, and when you look up, look how it curls, and that's because the skin sags. There. Just make sure you connect it. Is that a hair, or is that, what is that? Alright, so I am doing a very small line